Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Hands on How To. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can be able to add tags to your YouTube videos. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to sign into your YouTube account. Which I just did. And then after signing to your YouTube account, so the first method you can use to add this tag, you can just upload a new video. So you can add tags when uploading a new video. So once you upload the new video, you'll get the option for adding tags. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to select a file. Yeah, so I'm going to select a file. So let me go to the videos that I have. Yeah, so if I select, yeah, so I'm just going to select any random video because I'm using this to just show you how you can be able to add tags. So anytime you upload a video, so this is what you're going to have. You'll have a video title, and also you'll have your video, and then you also have where you can put your description and thumbnails and everything. So you're just going to scroll down and then you click on show more. So once you're there, you have the tags here. So here you can add, you can just add tags related to your YouTube videos. Okay, so the reason why these tags are important is because if you use relevant tags, that is tags that are related to your YouTube video. So the more relevant your tags are, the more likely your video will be found by people. Yeah. And then you use also popular tags. If you can use tags that are popular, your videos will be able to show up in search results. Okay, you can also use a variety of tags. Like in this example, I can use YouTube. This is a popular tag. Okay, then after each tag you put a comma, and then you can also use long tail tags. Long tail tags are more specific than short tail tags, so they're also less competitive, so they are more likely to help your video rank higher in search results. So I can even put YouTube beginner. And then I can also put YouTube videos. So these are what tags are. Okay, so that is just the first method you can use, and then once you're done and you've set up everything, you just go here. Once everything is set up, then you click on save. So that is the first method that you can use to set up your tags. Okay, and also you can be able to update your tags regularly. So as your video gets older, you may want to update your tags to reflect new trends or to make sure they are still relevant. Okay, so you can do that. So in another method, so I'm just going to leave that one, and here's the video. Okay, so that one I'm not going to, so that one I was just using as an example, and what I'm going to do, I can just delete it. Yes, I can just delete it or just leave it here as a draft because it will not be published. Okay, so in another method, you'll click on your profile. Once you've clicked your profile, you go to so you can once you've clicked your profile, you'll go to YouTube Studio. Okay, then so here we have the home page. So what you do, you just click on your profile, and after clicking on your profile, you click on YouTube Studio. Yeah, so once you're here, this is the channel dashboard. This is my channel dashboard, and then I'll go to videos. So here I have the videos. I'm just going to click on go to videos, and then so I'll click on this one, edit button. So this is the edit button. So once I click it, you can see that it has already opened that video. Okay, so and then we still have the same page we had when we uploaded the previous video. So I'm just going to scroll down again and click on show more. So you can see here, so these are the tags that I used: YouTube videos, upload, and then upload videos. So I can just maybe add on another tag that is YouTube tutorials. So if I click enter, I'll still have my YouTube, I'll still have my tag there. So earlier I said that the importance of having these tags is that you use relevant tags, you use popular tags, like YouTube is very popular, YouTube video is very popular, and also use a variety of tags. Okay, and then it is also important to update the tags according to new trends. Okay, so that is how you add a tag to your YouTube videos. So of course, if you have added like the new tag that I've added, I'm going to save it, okay, so that it will be updated once I'll be so that it can be updated on your video. So that is how simple it is to add a tags. So these tags, they're just words. So the tags are just words. They're just words or phrases that describe your YouTube videos and help find in search results. So when you add tags to your videos, you are essentially telling YouTube what your videos is all about. So to add tags to your YouTube video, you just follow the steps that I've just shown you, and it is that simple. Okay, so that's all for today. So that is how simple adding tags is. So thank you so much for watching, and let me see you again in my next video. Bye.